Welcome to the Sanders Kitchen. Today we're going to be frying up some eggplant. For this recipe, we're going to be using the male eggplant. Did you know that you can sex your eggplants? Absolutely. The male eggplant has a little circle on the back and the female has a little oval dot on the bottom side. Why does it matter? The male eggplant has less seeds and it's a little sweeter. I'm not kidding you. If you don't believe me, go Google it. Look it up for yourself. It's really true. So let's show you what's in this recipe. Okay, for the ingredients, we have our flour, which we will season with some salt and pepper. We're going to use 2 eggs and some water for egg wash, and then Italian breadcrumbs. Naturally, we have an eggplant. We're going to cut it up 2 different ways to show you, and we're going to top it with some Parmesan cheese. All right, we'll start by cutting the eggplant. We're going to cut the top off, flip it around, cut the bottom off. Throw that away, and we'll peel it. And that's it. Now we're going to cut the eggplant basically in half, and we'll use this part for medallions. I'm going to cut these about 3/8 of an inch thick, maybe a 1/4 inch. I know Pam doesn't like them real thin. And this part of the eggplant I've reserved so I can do some fingers. And so we'll go ahead and cut that like that. And all right. And if they're a little bit too big, you can go ahead and cut them in half. But that's about the size you want, like an oversized French fry. Pam said that when she was a little girl, her mom always cut them in medallions, but she called them lily pads. So you can cut lily pads or medallions, whatever you like. The fingers, we still have a few more to cut, so when I get through, we're going to go to the next step. Okay, first thing I need to do is go ahead and put my eggs in here. Boop! And a little touch of water, and we're going to whisk these things up. I need a good egg wash. 2 eggs and a little water is all you need. If you want, you can add a little spice to it, you know, a little salt and pepper. I'm going to add a few tablespoons of salt and pepper here. I guess I'll use my hand. Mix that up. A little there, a little there. We're going to do the medallions first. So we're going to put the medallions in the flour, then in the egg wash. It's important to put the flour on first and then the egg, because it gets real sticky, and then your breadcrumb will stick to it. So easy. I mean, look at that, how nice. So what we're going to do is go ahead. I don't want to get my fingers all messed up. We'll do all of these. Look how beautiful that is. That's the way to do it. And when it comes to the fingers, eggplant sticks, eggplant fingers, you know, you can toss several of those in at one time and then go right into the egg wash, get them coated real nicely, and then put them all in the breadcrumb at one time. When we get them all done, we're going to come back and start frying, okay? All right, everything is breaded, looking great, and now it's time to fry. The oil is right at about 350. So we're going to put the medallions in first. I'm going to keep track of the oil temperature because I don't want to let it get too hot and then the breading will start burning. So it'll take a couple of minutes to fry them. On that side, flip them over. Doesn't take long to fry eggplant, but boy, is it going to taste some good. Can't wait to show you how it looks. These eggplants are ready to come out. So I'll just take a couple of them, 2 or 3 out at a time. That is beautiful. That's the right color too. They're going to be nice and crispy on the outside and very tender on the inside. They're going to be good. Now we're going to go on to frying the fingers. Well, the eggplant came out of the fryer. It was steaming hot. So we decided to take a few pictures and wait to do the taste test, let them cool off a little bit. They're still pretty warm, but they're ready to eat. We have some marinara sauce in the middle, and I have some Parmesan cheese. Now, usually when you eat these in a restaurant, the Parmesan cheese comes either in a shaker or on a little bowl, and you can just dip your fingers in it. If you want it, you can put it on there. I like it, but here we go. I like both marinara and Parmesan. Crunchy on the outside, seasoned perfectly, and real tender on the inside, just the way I love it. Mamma mia. Well, we hope you enjoyed our video on eggplant fingers, eggplant sticks, eggplant medallions, or even eggplant lily pads. Whatever you want to call them is okay. You can have it as a main dish if you like this, or you can add it as an appetizer to any Italian dish that you want to cook. Thank you for watching the Sandra's Kitchen. If you liked our video, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel if you haven't. Hit the notification bell. That way you know when we're coming out with our new videos. Have a great week, and God bless you.